Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most practical products for everyday use. Today, we're taking a look at the best Jumbo Elmers Glue Sticks, a must-have for any home, classroom, or office. These Elmers Jumbo Washable Disappearing Glue Sticks come in a 12-pack, and each stick is 0.77 ounces, making them the perfect size for various arts and crafts projects. One of the standout features of these glue sticks is the disappearing purple formula. It goes on purple, allowing for easy application, but it dries completely clear, which means no mess and no mistakes. This is especially great for kids who are just learning to use glue, as it helps them see where the glue is applied without making a mess. The glue is smooth and easy to use, which makes it ideal for bonding a wide range of materials, from paper and cardboard to foam boards and display boards. Whether you're working on a school project, a crafting session, or creating posters, this glue is a reliable choice. Another great feature is that it's washable. No need to worry about getting glue on clothes or furniture. A little soap and water will clean it up easily. It's safe for kids to use, as it is acid-free and non-toxic, making it an excellent option for school and home activities. If you're looking for a glue stick that dries fast and holds strong, these Elmers Jumbo Glue Sticks are an excellent choice. They provide a durable bond that lasts, and the easy-to-use design ensures that even young crafters can get the job done without frustration. Plus, the 12-pack ensures you'll always have plenty on hand for your projects. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best jumbo glue sticks for arts, crafts, or school projects, these Elmers Jumbo Washable Disappearing Glue Sticks are definitely worth considering. They are reliable, easy to use, and the purple disappearing formula ensures a mess-free experience. So, grab your pack today and get creative. Thanks for watching Product Critique. We'll see you in the next review.